Yo YouTube, come on, we're in the Dodge Charger, dumb Toretto style.
The Dodge Charger, man.
Dodge Charger, Negro Toretto.
What's with the, you heard the last video? Yellow man. Oh, bare oldies pulling out, look, show them the whip. Yeah, LLFgames.com, Sunday 10 PM, 5p ticket. Get yourself an entry, mate, you never know. This could be the good luck that you needed. Go on, mate.
You saying? Fake Toretto. I'm the real one, look, I got the tank top.
Let's look at a bit tight, G. What we saying? 1968 Charger. We've done 3 of these bad boys, and not once have we filmed one for YouTube. Can you believe that?
First time for everything.
Bro, is anyone watching, in the history of LLF Games, this car has performed, no, you know what, that's a lie. My M3 Touring performed the best. But this is the second best performing car ever on the LLF Games.
Should show them the front.
Show them the front if you want, mate. All I know is, you can't afford it, pal.
What's the retail on one of those?
You can't afford it, pal.
More than you can afford, pal.
So anyway, 1968 Dodge Charger. You can see she's absolutely stunning. We've got the BC Forged alloys as well. So a bit in the arch. Not a huge fan. I mean, if I was going to keep it, I would definitely just black this whole wheel out. But we've got a stroked 7.2 litre, naturally aspirated, big block V8.
Let's show them.
See how to work this, so got the
Man just delayed the whole thing, bro.
Sorry. What a shot.
Oh, fucking hell. Definitely worth having a look, innit?
Madness.
That is clean, man. Look at the carbon, the intakes, all the chrome. Full specification is on the website, lads. But yeah, we did have to tune it actually. So carburetors, it was idling a bit funny. So we actually give this car away maybe the start of the year last year, I'm not too sure, but we bought it back from the winner. But we estimate horsepower to be about 500. This one's had some serious dough spent on it. It was sent to another country, I think, to have a load of work. So as I say, stroked, 7.2 litre. The engine's huge. Check out the interior. We've got the bucket style, diamond stitch seats. We have a sequential transmission. Hurst shifter, you can see the Sparco steering wheel. And I mean, look at the cabin generally, it's just beautiful. Black leather, red stitching. We've got Alcantara. It's a proper cool car, man. Long, big, but easy to place on the road, man. Custom exhaust. This one's got upgraded suspension. Don't know what the suspension is. We've got a disc conversion. Let's start the car up, actually. So, more? Oh, I thought you wanted me to do it louder. Let's sit up, bro.
Jokes.
What?
My baby.
It's actually deep. It's actually deep.
No.
What an ignorant black man. Only cares about himself.
I think you're just whitewashed. I never heard that
I
in my
genuinely
life.
wasn't too sure if he wanted it more. Come on, bro. You're not at home in the living room, are you? You're out in public with the goons. Come on, then.
Come on, Shan.
Hey, driving position, you know.
Come on. Don't know if I'm wearing the seatbelt right, but you know.
You got one on the side here, look.
Feels like
And then you pull these straps down to tighten it.
it's like I'm putting on a nappy.
Right, anyway, let's do this. Big V8 business.
Big like my
Listen.
muscles.
All I know is, you can't afford it, pal. That's all I know, bro.
Bro. Sun's out as well. Sun's out, guns out.
Sun's out, fucking guns out, lads.
Come on.
Oof. All these are out, look, man.
Yeah.
Fuck are these things? Oof, that's feds. Or some fucking Fed impersonator. Right, anyway, let's, oh my God, sakes. Can't move, mate. Oh, shit, that is painful. Oh, all right, let's get
it.
Ah, shit.
Train.
Oh, no, it's my neck.
You got a train.
Anyway, left hooker, 7.2 litre, guys. And let me tell you, the attention on this thing is fucking outrageous. Everywhere you go, they just love this thing. Not that I'm into the old attention, more of a Jaden thing.
Nah, I'm not a looker. I like the money. I take the money, then I'm gone.
I personally think you would turn the money down for the clout.
That's why you're saying you think that. That's your thought. But that's not the reality.
I reckon you'll turn down 100 bags for the clout. Listen, some people, you know, there's nothing wrong with it, man.
I'm not saying
We all have dreams of, you know.
Listen, I'm taking the money. 100 bags.
No way, mate. You're taking the clout, bro.
No
anyway,
way.
more about the car, guys. So, as mentioned, disc conversion. Brakes are not too bad. But one thing to highlight straight away, aside from that fucking 7.2, is the steering. Like, it's so easy to place this car on the road.
Sick.
You'd look at the car, I think it's a big, clumsy V8, typical American muscle car. It really isn't.
Yeah.
It's far from that. It feels so dynamic. Obviously, if you was to drive the absolute wheels off it, probably ain't going to behave the way you'd want it. But like now, I'm happy to start pushing into these bends. The steering feels very precise. No idea on the suspension, but mate, you know, a bit of movement, bit of detachment from the body, but very minimal. Like generally, it inspires confidence. So like now we're keeping it moving. Do you know what I mean?
Sounds like a fire-breathing dragon. Sounds sick. It's like a chainsaw, like.
It's just one tone, isn't it? One.
Yeah.
It's not like a high pitch like V8
You know what
on
it's
the
like?
M3.
You know when you imagine a car, like you were to make a car sound, this is what it sounds like.
Yeah?
Like, imagine you tell someone, make a car sound, they go like, that's what this sounds like.
Is that what it is, yeah?
And going
Slow
back,
down, bro.
let me go back to what you were saying.
It's just but it gets moving. It's just like one big gear. I don't even know how many gears there actually is. This sequential shifter, guys, you can actually change the gears like here now. Oh, he's gonna wet me the cunt.
Oh wait, is it manual?
It's not, no, but you can change the gears. See, like now that feels like a bit more torquey. But yeah, you can 100% daily this, and the cabin is stunning. Like,
Yeah.
it's clean, man. Like, honestly, Alcantara, we've got red stitching,
Loads of materials, isn't it?
loads of materials, bro.
Tunnel.
Got a fucking tunnel, mate. Yeah, get me.
Sick.
Big block V8 business.
Power-wise, what is this? 500? Is it 500 horsepower?
It's around 500 horsepower. I can't remember how the maths were done, but
Yeah.
it's had some serious work done to this.
Yeah, man.
Serious.
Serious.
Fuck.
Bless you.
Oh no, I'm not even capping. Like, bro, look at the cabin. Look.
Yeah, I
look at
know.
this carbon.
Carbon
Like,
fibre.
bro, it is fucking 10-10, mate.
Red
We've got the pro
stitching.
gauges. 2 and 2 snots. Yeah, we're good, mate.
LLF bogies, extra tickets double.
LLF bogies, yeah. It's crazy, isn't it? People don't even know me for my YouTube channel anymore. They're like, you're the
Yeah.
dude from the giveaways.
Yeah.
Mad. I don't get how it feels so small inside this cabin.
Small?
I mean, bro, it's like obviously spacious. Mate, that looks sick. Bro, have you just clocked?
As in,
That's the
like-
front of a Charger, look.
wow.
Like this whole, can't you see?
Yeah, man.
Bro, you're looking at the wheel, G. I'm
No, I can see. You think you think my vision is straightforward only? You think I can't see
You're
the?
looking at the wheel, G. So yeah, I mean, guys, you can imagine it's a very heavy car. I actually don't know the weight, but it's quick, it's torquey, it pulls. Definitely, you know, you can quite easily break the speed limit, but you know, power to weight's not going to be amazing.
You reckon it's heavier than a G90 M5?
I don't know, mate. I'd be completely guessing, but I suspect it would be.
Yeah.
You don't feel it from the wheel, but it's definitely going to be heavy.
It's really nice as well. Like,
It's fucking beautiful, this car, man.
sick.
We've got a fresh differential.
Yeah.
We've got fresh brakes on it, upgraded suspension. I mean, just thought I'd take her for a little drive, really, just before she goes. We ain't got a little video on the Charger. Yeah, this one's special. And this one is on the website, as you already know. 5-year ticket, 45 grand cash alternative, lads. Link in the description. Get your tickets, man. This one, yeah, winner's gonna take it 100%. You can take the dough, ain't you?
Yeah, 45 bags.
Yeah. You gotta spend that on a girl or something, innit?
What? Spend it on 10.
Yo, babes, take my money, innit?
No,
Yo, I love
no.
your ass, man.
Nah, forget that.
Take my money, man.
You gotta you gotta stick to one, man. You can't chat to women and get
One
money.
man to me boom boom, yeah.
One man missing.
Anyway, guys, that is a small little taster of a 68 Charger.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do another POV drive anyway, so don't worry, I got you covered. As mentioned, she's on the website, 5-year ticket, 1,500 squid, running cost, 45 grand, cash alternative, mate.
Listen, for 5p, you can be driving around saying more than you can afford, pal. Do you know what I mean?
Anyway, like the video, subscribe to the thing, and I'll see you soon, mate.
See ya.
One man to me boom boom.
One man to me pum pum, yeah. One man missing.